Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
The cost of visiting Sicily can vary, but it's generally considered moderately priced. While not the cheapest destination, there are ways to make it more affordable. Opt for budget accommodations like guest houses or Airbnb rentals. Eating at local trattorias or street food stalls can save on dining costs. Public transportation is a cost-effective way to explore. However, Sicily's rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious cuisine offer great value for money, making it a worthwhile destination. Plan and budget accordingly, and you can enjoy Sicily's charms without breaking the bank.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.